with us. It's our pleasure to have been joined by Major Muhammad Ali Shah, also on the broadcast. He also brings in his rare inputs into this broadcast. Major Shah, now what Wing Commander Bakshi, I would say, foretold is the fact that how things would unfold in Afghanistan, led by Taliban, obviously. How do you see these developments from a strategic point of view? Will Taliban limit itself only to the borders of Afghanistan, or will it try to influence its neighbors and wield some power there as well?
No, Taliban will definitely try to influence its neighbors. There's no doubt about that. Already we have had over 10,000 Pakistani supporters of Taliban crossing into Afghanistan to support Taliban. And the Afghanistan military is going to be seeing a lot of desertions. A lot of desertions. I'll give you an example. The Afghan army chief was to visit India, and the visit just got cancelled. And of course, it was coinciding with the US Home Secretary. That's a different thing. But of the state. But then that's a totally different thing. But then Afghan army, which are confused at the moment as to which side to actually support. Whether to support Taliban or to work again under the government on which they are working under, right? So, in the heart of hearts, they favor Taliban, and Taliban is definitely going to expand its wings further on, and especially the POK that area would be under threat. China is very strategically eyeing Afghanistan as well at the same time. When the US troops were withdrawing from Afghanistan, the Turkey President, Mr. Erdogan, had mentioned that our NATO ally, that's US, even though they're withdrawing troops from Afghanistan, we will be there to give them support. That means that Turkey was hoping to actually be invited, maybe on bilateral ties, because definitely I don't think the NATO agreement would permit Turkey to send in troops. So they were hoping to be invited over by Afghanistan to send in the troops, but that would have been a disaster again, because Turkey and Pakistan are very good friends. So if Afghanistan has more Pakistani influence, then they are in trouble. But yes, Taliban is definitely going to expand its wings. Just like, we had, I'll give an example again, just like how we had ISIS, who had from Middle East, they were expanding their wings, and they were people from India as well, a few of them, who were taken from ISIS and who were probably brainwashed or kidnapped or whatever, I don't know, but ISIS was expanding its wings. Similarly, Taliban will definitely try to expand its wings, and as Commander Praful Bakshi rightly said, that also Taliban will also look out for, because when they expand and when they become powerful, they will also look out for getting a global recognition, not just as a terrorist outfit, but as a respectable organization perhaps. If they are sensible, if they are wise, they would do that. But frankly speaking, I somewhere have my doubt that Taliban people have the intelligence to have that foresight to look into that. They are very short-sighted people. They're very, very short-sighted people. I'll give you another example.
Right.
Just a few days back, there was a night curfew imposed in Afghanistan from 10 p.m. till 4 a.m. That 4 a.m. is actually time for Fajr, the early morning prayers that in the Muslim community that they have. But now if you use your common sense, how many people will actually venture out or wander out at night? In a liberal country like India, we do not have people wandering out at night. Imagine in places like Pagman, Kabul, Madar-e-Sharif, Kandahar, imagine where people would come. So I see, yes, Taliban will definitely try to expand its wings, but it needs to be nipped in the bud right now.
Right, very crucial aspects that Major Shah has brought to the table, Wing Commander Bakshi. He is right when he says that given a conservative country that Afghanistan is, and how conservative Taliban itself is, to bring such draconian laws at times is something that might backfire.
I'm happy that Major Shah also mentioned this point, that Taliban will look for respectability.
Wing Commander Bakshi and Major Shah, thank you so much for taking time out and sharing your valuable insights on the rise and probably the subsequent fall of Taliban because of its own reasons.